You're about to head to the airport, but you feel that nagging fear you're not fully prepared. The wrong charger, a missing adapter, or a forgotten travel pillow could turn your dream trip into a nightmare. What if you had the perfect arsenal of gadgets and essentials to make every part of your journey effortless? So ready to travel smarter and never be caught unprepared again? Let's dive in. But before starting, don't forget to smash this subscribe button so you never miss out on video like this. Let's start from number 10. Multi-tool device. Have you ever needed to fix something on the go but didn't have the tools? A compact multi-tool device is your ultimate travel companion. These gadgets pack multiple functionalities into one small tool: screwdrivers, scissors, knives, bottle openers, and more. Imagine needing to cut a tag off a souvenir or tighten a loose screw on your luggage. With a multi-tool in your pocket, you're ready for anything. Some high-quality models even include a flashlight or a small ruler, giving you even more versatility. These tools are small enough to comply with airline regulations. Just avoid the ones with blades in carry-ons. Whether hiking rugged trails or navigating a bustling city, a multi-tool can come to your rescue in unexpected situations. Pro tip: opt for stainless steel models to ensure durability and resistance to wear. Number 9. First aid kit. What if you get a blister or a minor cut while exploring? Are you prepared to handle it? No one wants to think about getting hurt on vacation, but minor mishaps can happen anytime. A travel-sized first aid kit stocked with essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and pain relievers can save the day. For outdoor adventurers, adding insect repellent and aloe vera gel for sunburns is a must. If you're traveling to remote areas, consider including water purification tablets or rehydration salts. Even in well-equipped cities, having a personal kit saves you time and ensures you have exactly what you need. Pro tip: customize your kit based on your destination. Heading to a tropical paradise? Include mosquito repellents. Traveling to cold climates? Add lip balm and hand warmers. Number 8. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. How do you stay connected when there's no Wi-Fi around? Staying connected is crucial, whether it's for navigating unfamiliar streets, sharing your adventures on social media, or working remotely. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot ensures you have reliable internet access no matter where you are. Many devices offer coverage in over 100 countries and allow multiple devices to connect simultaneously. For digital nomads or frequent travelers, this is a game changer. It eliminates the need for expensive international roaming or hunting down coffee shops with free Wi-Fi. Pro tip: pair your hotspot with an affordable local SIM card for even better connectivity. Number 7. Digital luggage scale. Have you ever been caught off guard by overweight luggage fees? A digital luggage scale can save you from the stress and unexpected costs of overweight baggage. These small, lightweight devices give you an accurate reading of your luggage weight so you can pack smarter. They're especially helpful for travelers who love shopping and might return with more than they packed. Scenario: imagine yourself at the airport counter, shifting items between bags to avoid fees. With a digital scale, you'll always know if you're within limits, sparing yourself the embarrassment and hassle. Pro tip: look for models with a backlit display for easy reading in dimly lit hotel rooms. Number 6. Reusable water bottle. What's your go-to for staying hydrated on the move? Hydration is key during travel, but buying bottled water everywhere adds up and contributes to plastic waste. A reusable water bottle is an eco-friendly and economical alternative. Many modern bottles come with built-in filters, ensuring clean drinking water even in areas with questionable water quality. Insulated bottles keep drinks hot or cold for hours, making them perfect for all climates. Why it's a must-have? From hiking in the mountains to strolling through a city, staying hydrated keeps you energized and healthy. Pro tip: choose collapsible bottles to save space in your luggage when not in use. Number 5. Travel pillow. How do you get comfortable during long flights or road trips? Long journeys can be exhausting, and a good travel pillow can make all the difference. Designed to support your neck and reduce strain, these pillows help you get restful sleep even in cramped airplane seats. Inflatable pillows are lightweight and easy to pack, while memory foam options offer superior comfort. Why travelers swear by it? It's the key to arriving at your destination refreshed and ready to explore. Pro tip: try travel pillows with additional features like built-in hoods or adjustable straps for maximum comfort. Number 4. Packing cubes. What if you could make packing and unpacking faster and more organized? Packing cubes are a game changer for travelers, transforming how you pack and access your belongings. These lightweight, zippered compartments allow you to separate clothing, accessories, and toiletries into neatly organized sections. No more rummaging through your suitcase and messing everything up to find that one item. You simply grab the cube you need and keep the rest intact. Scenario: picture this, you open your suitcase at your destination, and instead of a chaotic jumble of clothes, everything is in its designated place. Packing cubes make this dream a reality, ensuring you always stay organized on the go. Pro tip: use color-coded packing cubes to instantly identify what's inside each one. Green for shirts, blue for pants, and red for toiletries. It's an easy way to keep everything streamlined and stress-free while traveling. Number 3. Noise-canceling headphones. How do you block out distractions while traveling? Airports, airplanes, and busy streets can be noisy and overwhelming. Noise-canceling headphones let you escape into your own bubble of peace. Whether you're listening to music, enjoying an audiobook, or simply relishing the silence, these headphones are a travel essential. For long-haul flights, some models offer exceptional battery life and comfortable ear cushions, ensuring they're practical and enjoyable even after hours of use. Pro tip: look for foldable models to save space in your carry-on. Number 2. Portable power bank. What's your plan if your phone dies in the middle of a journey? Running out of battery while traveling isn't just frustrating, it can leave you stranded if you depend on your phone for maps, tickets, or emergency contacts. A portable power bank keeps your devices charged wherever you are, whether you're navigating city streets, hiking through remote trails, or enjoying a long train ride. Modern power banks come with fast-charging technology and multiple ports, letting you charge several devices simultaneously. They're a lifesaver for tech-savvy travelers who can't afford to go offline. Scenario: imagine this, you're snapping photos of a breathtaking sunset, and your phone battery dies just as the sky bursts into its most brilliant colors. With a power bank in your bag, you'll never miss those once-in-a-lifetime moments again. Pro tip: for off-the-grid trips, consider a solar-powered power bank. It's eco-friendly and ensures you stay connected even in the most remote locations. Keep it in your day pack for easy access, and you'll never have to worry about running out of juice again. Number 1. Universal Travel Adapter. What's your strategy for charging devices in different countries? Imagine arriving in a new country, only to realize your charger doesn't fit the outlet. A universal travel adapter ensures you're always ready to charge your devices, no matter the destination. These adapters are compatible with various plug types worldwide and often come with USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether it's your phone, laptop, or camera, staying connected is a breeze. Why it's essential? A dead phone or camera can ruin your plans, and searching for a compatible adapter abroad can be stressful. Opt for one with built-in surge protection to shield your electronics from unexpected voltage spikes. Pro tip: compact designs with multi-port functionality are perfect for light packers. From business travelers to adventure seekers, a universal adapter is the ultimate travel companion for staying powered up on the go. So, what do you think? Which of these travel gadgets and essentials caught your eye? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first big adventure, these items can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Drop your thoughts below and let us know which of these you'll be adding to your packing list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and insights that transform the way you travel.